Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. We got PEGY ELAB, those the two unicorn on our watch list for today. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, let's see if we take some distraction from here. Okay, this is done. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's wait everybody to tune in. Yes, we've got a great day ahead of us. PEGY was the top gainer for today. We catch some profit from it early in our live streaming today, where we discuss PEGY reversal in the live streaming that we did around the 7 a.m. Eastern time with ELAB. We said if we held the current support, we're gonna have a reversal for ELAB. Of course, we have this reversal and we went until the 14 and the 13. This was one of the great trade for today. And of course, for PEGY, we discussed this reversal, guys, zone and going toward the 20 cents, which we did. And we did nice hunt for PEGY in the pre-market. Okay, guys, PEGY is still doing all right. RZLV partnered with Microsoft for AI. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I already have it here on my list, brother. RZLV. Already have it here on my list. It pumped and now it dumped a bit. Pulled back. It pulled back fast. RZLV. Jumping up once again. Okay, this one could be good for today. If we held the $7, of course, $7 should be our current support for this one. KXIN was great yesterday, great hunt for yesterday. We discussed this for our elite member. Jason asked us about this one because we spotted another breakout after the market close or after we finish our live streaming. We discussed the entry here if we held over the 24. And of course, squeezed after that almost 50% for KXIN. For now, PEGY guys jumped big time in the pre-market, now is pulling back. Yeah, we traded this one early in the live streaming that we did on all Discord. And now we're watching for another entry. What's going on with Neo? Of course, Neo is got near the resistance zone. That's why we put him back for the first time, because we got near the 8 and the 950, as we discussed in our YouTube video. I was watching this one in the pre-market, STZ. It's pulling back down. We have a little pump, then now it's pulling back. So we got ELAB. ELAB is doing all right. Now we have double top around the 1590. We already discussed the game plan early today on our Discord live streaming, guys. That's why we suggest everybody to tune in early, because we discuss ELAB support. As you can see here, we said the reversal, or we should hold over the current support, which is the 0.096. And of course, ELAB went and jumped from the resistance that we discussed earlier. So we discussed ELAB and we discussed PEGY reversal early today, guys. We said there is a breakout around this flag, and we expect a reversal over the 18. And that's what happened. We suggest to take profit around the 20 cents, and we said we should hold over the 17 for this one to reverse up for PEGY. And guess what? PEGY reversed perfectly right there, guys. The pullback that you saw, it was there. It was exactly there. Price reverse, then jumped up. Yeah, I think the pullback was here, yes. And we suggest for entry and taking profit around the 20. So we took two profit on this one. First, around the first breakout here, the 18, we took profit around the 19. We entered again around the 17. We took profit around the 20 because we spotted the hidden seller here early in the pre-market. That's why, guys, we always suggest to enter early for those stocks, because if you waited now, you be missing the right entry zone for many stocks. That's why early in the pre-market is the way to go to hunt for those stocks. Hologram, another reverse split is coming up. Hologram, holy moly, we have another reverse split. Let us check if we got something else in the pre-markets. TOVX is coming up. TOVX. Yeah, we've got a big seller around the 215, guys, for TOVX. We'll see if we're gonna break this resistance at the market open. For now, we need to hold over the 178 to break the 215 to 2VX. So I'm gonna put TOVX on the list. Let us check the other ones. PGY, of course, is already on the list. EVGO breaking the resistance around the 480. That's why it's going toward the 519, the first profit. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance there, or the profit taken. The resistance should be now around 517. To EVGO, looking great as well. Let me just check if we got another support for it around the 440. So EVGO could be good, but not that good technically. So I'm gonna put it on the maybe list. Stock jumping right now in the pre-markets because we've got 20 minutes left on the market open. HKD just jumping, came from nowhere. Hologram, let's check here. We got a reverse split again for hologram. How many reverse split we had for hologram, guys? We have to check how many levels. So, guys, as we said, PEGY was a great in the pre-market hunt for today. As we said, guys, ELAB, it was perfect trade on our live streaming that we did early today. We suggest for entry around this reversal and take profit around the 20. The other stock that we trade in the pre-market, as you can see here, ELAB, we suggest the 9 cent as a reversal zone, and the breakout is around the 12.15. And we have a good two trade in the pre-market. Again, if you want to have access to this early live streaming, you can on our Discord and Patreon. So for meantime, the link, I'll just put it down below on the live chat section at the moment, guys, because we always do live streaming early and every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time before this live streaming on YouTube, which is around the 9 a.m. Eastern time. Exactly, but hey, smash the like button. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Yes, here asking about ELAB. ELAB hit mini profit taking. It's filling the gap right now. WHLR, I don't like the technical. Yes, it jumped and hit mini profit taking yesterday, but still the technical is not my cup of tea. We have EVGO is still jumping, guys, but is now is getting risky because the 517 it is the resistant. Hologram, some of you said there's a news of a reverse split for hologram. That's why it went down 19%. So hologram, I don't like it right now. If we still below the 34, I don't gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. So I'm gonna leave it be, hologram. So for now, we got TOVX to break the 215, ELAB to break the 16 cents, and right now it is about to break the 16 cent to go toward the 1790. So PEGY, it is one of the trade that we traded today, and now it's pulling back toward this red box. Big seller is around the 20 cent. That's why we took profit early in the pre-market here, guys, before the pullback down. So EVGO getting near the resistance, MLGO reversing from the support a bit. For now, I don't like MLGO. Glove, Indo still sleeping. KXIN, we traded yesterday. It was great trade yesterday. TOVX still, I'm gonna put it on the maybe list. So we've got ELAB and PEGY. ELAB is the most active stock for today, guys, 85%. I think we traded this one before, if you remember, guys. This one was on the top gainer list before. Oh man, this stock is good for muscle mania. So ELAB just unite seeks patents for lead drug candidate to treat muscle loss in obese patients. We have a patent. Nice. That's why it's jumping. We have PEGY. Anyway, so ELAB have a patent, guys, coming up. That's why it's active right now. NEO 5% down today. Okay, Sabah testing the support. Guys, there's the opportunity to buy the dip for many stocks right now. ELAB is still trying to break, guys, around the 15. ELAB still trying. We have the same pattern, guys. Here we have the same pattern. Price try to break out, cover up here. Now we have another channel for a breakout. Is about to happen anytime soon. I think, guys, ELAB waiting for the market open, to have the right buyer to squeeze. GR, Tesla Cybertruck recall. What you mean? Is mean they taking out Cybertruck from the circulation? What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Guys, we have two stocks for today that we traded early in the pre-market hunt on our live streaming. ELAB, we discussed this once the price was around 11. We said the 9 cent is the support. For PEGY, the same. We said the reversal will happen over the 17 for re-entry and then take profit around the 20. We have a great reversal and we took the second entry and the second profit taken after we show our hunters and warn our hunter for this reversal. So PEGY and ELAB already took trade in the pre-market, and now we're waiting for another trade because for this one have a breakout about to happen, and PEGY a reversal about to happen. So those the top stocks. The other one could be good for today is TOVX. TOVX looking great for a breakout as well. EVGO, aha, we have a huge jump here for EVGO, but I'm gonna leave it be because it's overextended at the moment a bit. MLGO is testing the support. There's a chance for reversal at the moment, guys, for MLGO, but again, I don't like the technical. So the best for the top four is EVGO, TOVX, and PEGY and ELAB. But I'm gonna make three stocks for today: TOVX and PEGY and ELAB that look really great for a trade. TOVX looking great right now. Okay, who's ready for Thursday hunts? Let me know in the live chat section. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way in because we always go live every day. Are you sure, JR? Because Cybertruck has been out since 1 year ago or 2 years. So if there's a trouble, should happen like a few months after the release. Why now? Maybe this is false news in order to drag price of Tesla down before the earnings, so the market maker could buy cheap price for Tesla. Okay, let us check Tesla, guys, because we got some news. JR said the Cybertruck have a problem. Let's check this out. We have a price target. Okay, reduce price target for Tesla to 153. Okay, let us go to Tesla. Okay. Anyway, I don't have clear news about the Cyber's car. Here, Tesla price target. Not this one. Yeah, Tesla recall over 27,000 Cybertruck over review camera delay. That is not big deal. This is just for the camera delay. This is nothing. So Tesla said on Wednesday it's recalling 27,000 Cybertruck due to delay rear view camera images when shifting in reverse, which increased the risk of crash. Oh, because yeah, autonomous driving. The camera maker said in a letter to the National Highway Traffic Safety that it will resolve the issue with the software update. Okay, so yeah, could be risky in the big picture. But this is not the big deal, guys. Tesla down just 2%, so it's not big deal. Oh man, I think we have another seller right now. Okay, we might have a discount for Tesla for today after this news. Anyway, guys, we have ELAB, PEGY, and TOVX for today, Hunt. We got 5 minutes left. You know what's the time it is? If you don't know, it means you are new. Good morning, everybody. WHLR squeeze. Exactly, Martin Bolo. Not big deal. Change the camera. Okay, so we got ELAB, guys. It's about to break here before the market open. Let us bring our disclaimer before we forget, because we're gonna have hot market today, guys. We're gonna have a hot market for today. You better believe it. Okay, guys, remember, disclaimer for today. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed. So we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money in the line. And of course, if this is the first time for you, remember we always do our live streaming every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Why? Because we catch a really good trade. Like PEGY, we catch this stock early in the live streaming around 7 a.m. Eastern time on our Discord. And ELAB before it jump from the 11 cents. So guys, if you want to have access to our Discord Patreon and have access to those live streaming, the link in the live chat section right now, if you want to join our Hunter channel. And of course, you have to pick the king level or the elite in order to have access to Zoom meeting, live streaming, of course, live streaming every day around 7 a.m. pre-market Eastern time every day. And of course, you have the watch list daily, requested stocks. You have many things we do on the live streaming. Yesterday, we have a really great hunt for KXIN because one of our elite members have access to one on live chat or live alert where he asks about, or you can ask about any stock during the market open and you ask for a chart for entry. So yesterday, Jason asked us about the entry for this one. And we suggest to, of course, he asked about 2136 support. He said if we hold this mean game on, I said yes. If we held here, we're gonna have a breakout. And this one did 50% yesterday, guys, after we did this short analysis update for Jason. Great hunt, my brother Jason. Great hunt for KXIN. Okay, guys, so for now, let us start our live streaming. And of course, we have a few minutes left. Hit the like button, don't forget, and subscribe because we always go live. And of course, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. And let us have fun today. Come on, ELAB, PEGY, looking great, TOVX. The top 3 stocks that I'm watching right now. The rest, I'm gonna keep it on the maybe list, okay? For now, we only have 3 stocks to watch. ELAB is the strongest because we have a patent. It's seeking patents, guys, for the drugs that help diabetic people on not losing weight. Let's go. If we don't break this level, guys, at the market open is me, we're gonna flush down toward the 12 cents. Whatever the case will be, we'll be ready. Market will open in just 10 seconds. Okay. ELAB. Big seller here, guys, for ELAB. PEGY, on the other hand, is reversing. Nice reversal here. TOVX, it could be the one, guys, if we broke the $2 right now. If we broke here, we might get halted up. TOVX, which one will be the one, guys? This is it. ELAB could be the one, guys. It held perfectly here. ELAB is squeezing, guys. ELAB is squeezing because of patent for the drug that treat muscle loss in obese patients. That's why it's squeezing big time. ELAB, guys, is the one. ELAB hitting the first profit taken right now. ELAB hitting the first profit taken, guys. Make sure to take profit on ELAB. Okay, guys, ELAB, really good to take profit right now because after that will be risky to hold. I'm gonna take 12% profit on this trade at the moment before a flush because the 1798 is current resistance. Great hunt. This one was quick, guys. It broke our support or resistance, hit our profit taken. 12% in just 1 minute, guys. 12% in just 1 minute. PEGY testing our bottom support for today. I'm gonna lower the resistance right now for BEGY around the 17. And we have a profit taken twice here and there around the 18 and the 20. TOVX still holding the support. EVGO double top. MLGO, but ELAB is still holding just below the resistance. ELAB, we might have another pump, guys. We might have another pump here if we broke the 18 cents. ELAB could be 200% stock for today. If we continue to hold over the 16 cents, otherwise we're gonna flush. For now, still looking good. Tested our profit taking perfectly right now around the 17.98 or around the 18 cent. Now it's pulling back, guys. For now, we need to hold over this current support, the 14.78, if we want to continue for this squeeze up. If we didn't, it means we flush. So we need to hold the 14.78. PEGY is continue to go down toward the bottom, which is the 14 cent. TOVX is still holding the support, guys. PEGY is a bit weak. ELAB still strong. The strongest stock for today is ELAB. Again, guys, ELAB was on our live streaming today. The best entry was on our live streaming today. Early live streaming, as we discuss PEGY entry, and of course we said this is the perfect entry for PEGY, and the other one, of course, for ELAB. We have two stocks, of course, PEGY and ELAB. For ELAB is pulling back. PEGY is still holding the current support. As we said, this is a nice reversal zone right now. TOVX, we need to break the $2, guys, to squeeze up. This is it. We only have three stocks, guys. Three stocks. TOVX could be good right now for another pump. Great magic, great hunt for ELAB, brother. Yes, it was perfect trade for ELAB. As we suggest to exit right now here around the 18 cent, guys. We're expecting a pullback right now. You see what's happened, guys? You see what's happened flashing? After we place our order for ELAB, ELAB is pulling back. Great hunt for ELAB, guys. If we broke right now, I don't suggest for entry. If we broke the 1478, is mean we're gonna flush ELAB 1478. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. If we didn't, we flush. Simple as that. PEGY, time for a reversal right now, guys. Over the 15 cent. TOVX, nothing much. So PEGY time now. PEGY time for a reversal. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon. Guys, hit the like button. Spread the word. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. We always go live, guys. We always go live every day. Guys, WHLR, everybody talking about this one because yesterday did a huge jump, but I don't like the technical, guys. It's really bad. So even it jumped to 1000%, I'm not trading this one, guys. ELAB is about to break the support right now. If we broke the support, not good, guys. If we broke it right now, not good. If we held, is mean hallelujah. As you can see here, we place our order for ELAB sell exactly just below the 18 cent. Now, PEGY, it is the one to watch because it is testing at the bottom. TOVX, the next one, guys, to watch because right now is about to squeeze from the $2. Big buyer just came around the 173, guys. Big buyer just came right now around the 173. ELAB, I think, is flushing right now. Yeah, is about to flush. Now, once we break this level, guys, we're gonna have a huge red candle down really fast. If we broke the 1478, but we're still holding it, it means there's a buyer. Let us check the swing trade. Sava, Unity, CTL, INTC. What a nice reversal here. Yeah, really good reversal. I think we have this selling pressure right at the market open. NEO 6%. Nvidia 2% up. Nvidia invested 100 million in OpenAI, increasing its valuation to 157 billion. This move aimed to enhance Nvidia position in AI sector and stimulate chip sales. Nice. Nvidia, every time we got some news, man. Every day there's some news for AI. And everybody knows that news is good for the market. Look at that. ELAB held perfectly, man. PEGY holding the support. ELAB, guys, is still holding. It's still holding the support. Okay, HKD. HKD coming up. HKD squeezing, but is kind of hitting a resistance now around the 6. So I don't like it that much. Yeah, it's a bit risky because the support is a bit far around the 413. Yeah, so HKD 35%. I'm gonna put it on the maybe list, guys. If we broke the $6 could be good. For now, ELAB is reversing from our support, the 1478, precisely, guys. Precisely from our support. TOVX is breaking the support, guys. It's not good here. Let's check the other list if we got something. MTC, I think it's flushing down right now. 25%. We have other one, DUO is going down 19% for today. So ELAB still looking good, guys. Want to break the 18 this time. TOVX is weak, so I'm gonna keep just EVGO looking great, but again a bit risky. So we've got PEGY and ELAB for a reversal. ELAB want to break the 18 and go toward the 21. Yes. You know what, guys? For ELAB, I really wanted to go down because if we broke now, it's a bit risky to enter again. But if we pull back down, would be perfect here. Discount price. I like to enter always on the discount. Yeah, here FOMO, man. If we broke here, is me FOMO. ELAB have FOMO. We got FOMO price buying. This mean we have kids trading this stock, not professional traders. So yeah, we only have ELAB right now, guys. The strongest stock for today that did great move, but it's back to pullback now. ELAB have a huge news, guys, as you can see here. ELAB seeks patent for lead drug candidate to treat muscle loss in obese patients. We have huge news. That's why still holding the 1478. Short seller added their position again just below the 18 cent, guys, for ELAB. Yes, here, ask about Indo. Yeah, Indo looking great. Indo looking great is reversing right now. Yeah, Indo could break, guys, later, a bit later, because right now is light on volume. KXIN still going down because we broke the trend from yesterday. The bullish trend, we broke it. EVGO, guys, breaking the resistance. EVGO is breaking right now, guys, the 536. We have a breakout. It's going toward the 570. EVGO, the top breakout stock. They just have the breakout right now, guys, for EVGO. We just had it. Yeah, it is about to have another pump right now. EVGO, great EVGO. We have a huge jump right now. JP Morgan upgraded EVGO price to, yes, we have a upgrade price target for EVGO. Is going at the right direction. Nvidia hitting hood. Which, yeah, Nvidia have a nice news regarding AI. That's why it's jumping right now. Nvidia 3% up right now. We got some support for Nvidia around the 120. And yeah, Nvidia could do some damage to the short sellers. But man, it is a bit risky here. Yeah, it's a risky business here because we might get rejected now. Because we might get rejected around this descending channel, right around 124. Yeah, we could have a resistance here. So it's really risky to buy Nvidia at the moment. Hit the like button on the way in, everybody. Yes, Nvidia doing all right. We got AI investing in OpenAI. Guys, the market is kind of thirsty for any AI news. Any stock have real AI news, we have a huge jump for it. No matter what the stock name. PEGY is still pulling back. Yes, it's pulling back still. ELAB still looking good. EVGO still looking good. We want to go toward the 570 EVGO, guys. Hit the like, everybody. Great. Okay, let's see which stock got halted. And yes, we got CETX. CETX hit the haltation scan. 46% down. So yeah, it got halted down because it's 1 to 60 reverse split. It went from the 5 or 6 until the $2. Yikes. Yikes. Dangerous for this one, guys. Dangerous play. PGY entering our reversal zone. Be careful. PEGY getting juicy right now. Getting juicy for a reversal. Yeah, PEGY getting near or inside actually our reversal zone. So around the 14, guys, we need to have a reversal right now. If we don't have a reversal at the moment, is mean game over for PEGY, guys. Around the 14 cent. So the 14 cent should be a reversal zone for PEGY. Anytime soon. Endo trying to break. Yeah, it's a bit far, but yeah, it's trying to break right now. EVGO is pulling back a bit. EVGO, I'm gonna keep it on the maybe list because I don't like it that much. PEGY, guys, is getting near a bottom here. So if we reverse now, it could be a good entry over the 14 cent. ELAB, preparing for another jump, guys. It held perfectly over the 1470. This is not bad reaction from ELAB. PEGY reversing. TOVX nothing. HKD jumping. HKD. Cloth is hitting the resistance $3.90. We have a nice jump for Cloth. Not bad for Cloth. 8% yesterday, almost 30%. Yeah, Indo still light on volume, still below the 1 million. Nvidia, I'm still waiting for this test around the 124. We expect a pullback, even though we have a great news about Nvidia invested 100 million in OpenAI. We have wow, look at this return year to date, 150% for Nvidia, guys. Huge performance for Nvidia. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. We've got something here for Intel. Let's see Intel if we have some news for it. President Biden signed a law exempting Intel and other US semiconductor plants from federal environmental review, part of the $52.7 billion initiative to enhance domestic chip production. INTC emerged as a newcomer to the top 10 most searched stock. Okay, so Intel doing great, guys. Really doing a great after this news. And now jumping in the green side. But we've got a resistance to break now around the 23 for Intel before continue higher. No, the trend is kind of shabby here. Yeah, Intel looking great here, but is still inside a bearish channel. Yeah, we're still inside this bearish channel. So I'm waiting for this breakout to happen, guys. Look at that. We're waiting for this channel to break. We're still inside it. We were inside this channel. We broke it as well. Perfect. Really perfect here. And of course there. Perfect for Intel. Just amazing. Okay. So for Intel, guys, we have a breakout here for this channel. This is the first breakout. We enter a bullish channel. Then now we entering a correction channel where we corrected there, and now we need to break this channel and make another channel up. So yeah, Intel looking great. Let's see how much here. Yeah, 4% down. So I'm gonna keep my eyes close to Intel. Palantir, yeah, Palantir have a new high for today, guys. A new high for Palantir. Palantir is going toward the 39. Current resistance for Palantir. Boom. We have a bit of support here around the 36. This is for Palantir. AMD and GameStop doing, or Nvidia, not GameStop, doing phenomenal. Fantastically good here. Almost 4% for both of them. Yes, yes. Are we having some news for Sava? Yeah, Sava still have a problem with misleading Alzheimer study data. So this is what made the Sava never break out. However, we're still good. Let us go to ELAB. ELAB broke the support, I think, guys. Be careful. Is about to break the channel down. ELAB gave up, guys. ELAB is giving up right now. ELAB is giving up. ELAB is giving up. Now is breaking the support officially. Yeah, it's breaking the support. PEGY is still going down toward the support bottom. EVGO is still okay. HKD is getting near the breakout, the $6, but we're not there yet. Indo still waiting for the right buyer because we're still below the recommended volume squeeze. So ELAB, yeah, is breaking the current support officially. Yeah, we broke the support. It's a bit weak right now. So it was really wise to take profit here around the 1780. Great hunt guides for ELAB. DUO looking good. DUO. Not particularly. DUO 14% down. Started to reverse a bit. Yeah, still good. DUO is still looking pretty good. Because we reversed from the $3.37. Resistance still around almost the $5. Again, guys, all those stocks, PEGY and ELAB, were pretty good in the pre-market. For PEGY, we suggest to take profit right there, guys. Right there, around the 20 cents, around 7 a.m. Eastern time, where we hunted for PEGY. Look at that. This one was early on our Discord, where we discussed ELAB entry. And we said there is an entry right now. And we discussed ELAB entry, of course, over the 9 cents. And we suggest to take profit around the 13 and the 14. And this was for ELAB. And this was for PEGY. We said if we held the 17, we're going to squeeze up. And if we go here, we see that we hit the 20 and we suggest for exit. That's why we exited and we took profit right there before this pullback, exactly around the 19. If you see here, was around the 19, I think. Yes, let me just check. Yeah, around the 1750. No, around the where is the price? Yeah, around the 20 cent. Yes, exactly around the 20 cent. So after that, you see the price went down. We lowered our resistance because we saw this hidden seller, and the price continued to go down. So again, guys, the best entry and exit for mini stocks were in the pre-market because this one, you see, hit our profit taken and flush down. So again, guys, all our pre-market live streaming early one is on our Discord and Patreon. The live chat section is where you can find our special link for our Discord and Patreon to join. And of course, you can have access to the live streaming on the king level or the elite. And of course, you see here 7 a.m. Eastern time pre-market live streaming exclusive on Discord. Plus, we have swing trade, day trade, requested stocks, watch list, Zoom meetings. So it's not just live streaming that you're gonna have access to, but other things. For the elite, you have monthly Zoom meeting, not just once. And of course, 1 day swing trade. And of course, the exclusive live alert, direct access to me during the market open. So the only level that you have access to me during the market open after we finish the live streaming is on the elite hunter. Of course, for the king level, you have access to me before the market open on the pre-market if you have any questions. Let me just give you an example. Jason asked me yesterday about KXIN and about the entry. He said the support hold, if it's held over the 2136, is it good? We did the chart analysis update, and of course, to show him exactly the 2136 is the support, and the entry was around the 2470, and this one jumped 50% and went until the 40 cent before a huge jump, only just yesterday. And of course, this was around yesterday, around the 1717. Yesterday, of course, for this chart analysis update. So, guys, again, yeah, Clav already have covered it up for you, brother, on the pre-market today. Manny Kandan already covered it for you, brother. We said, yeah, I did it in the pre-market. Hopefully you saw our pre-market watch list. As you can see, guys, we always do a pre-market watch list, and even requested stock. If you have any requested stock, we always do an early video, especially for that, after the pre-market open. So for now, PEGY is about to reverse from the support, the 14. ELAB is flushing down after we took profit at the market open here. It was perfect exit. And now AVGO is looking good. TVOX, HKD maybe. MLGO is reversing. Glove, the same, breaking out. Indo testing the breakout zone, guys, right now. We're gonna do update for the chart for Indo, guys, because now is about to break out. We're gonna discuss where the profit taken for it after we finish our live streaming right now. We're gonna head toward our Discord and do a chart analysis update as usual, because last time we did for DUO before the breakout from the $4, this one squeezed big time DUO. So we're gonna do another update for you guys on the unicorn hunt on Discord. So stay tuned for a day trade recap. Neo is pulling back down, guys. As we said, it's got near the resistance zone around the 8 and 950. So this is normal that we have a pullback. MTC is a bit dangerous, brother. Nvidia short covering, yes, maybe, but it's still, it is a bit risky for Nvidia, guys, because it's getting near a resistance zone right now, the 124. Expect a pullback right now, guys, around the 124.50, because we have this trend is still inside this bearish trend for Nvidia. So we expect a rejection right now before a pullback. So we might have a trap right now for Nvidia, guys. A trap, pull trap there. So it's backed a bit of pullback right now. It is a bit risky to buy here for Nvidia, even though we have a great news right now for Nvidia regarding investing 100 million in OpenAI. For AMD, on the other hand, yes, the resistance is a bit far, which is the 186. So yeah, Nvidia look better here. But again, Nvidia follows the footsteps of AMD following Nvidia. AMD has a price to earning multiple, blah, 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 advanced, experience decline, no, micro device decline, Anyway, so AMD and Nvidia almost, and then the same in percentage wise for the gain for today. Wow, INTC is looking juicy here. Yes, looking juicy for a breakout. Oh, brother. Because we got the just price target, $27. We got President Biden sign a law to exempt Intel from federal environmental reviews under CHIPS Act. Yeah, so we have some news, really great news for Intel. So semiconductors doing really good right now. Even Palantir doing pretty phenomenal for today. Palantir partnered with Edge Scale AI to launch live Edge for AI in manufacturing. The company also extends its deal with APA Corporation and secured military contract. So yeah, Palantir guys is hitting a major resistance, is about to hit the 39. We expect a pullback there. Yeah, so we got a major pullback for Palantir. Palantir is really strong this year, guys. Pretty strong from my opinion. So let us see. ELAB is pulling back, PEGY pulling back, EVGO pumping, TOVX pumping, HKD is about to pump, MLGO I don't like it that much, CLOV is still squeezing, and Indo tested the resistance and now is pulling back. Let's see on the smaller picture. Yes, we have a huge pullback right now for Indo because the volume is not right. Anyway, guys, for now, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. As we said, guys, hit the like button on the way and don't forget, because we always go live every day to hunt for the market. Let us, before we wrap up our live streaming, let us head toward Momo NX and of course check the top gainer over there. We got ELAB guys, number 1, INV number 2, but the volume is dead. TOVX, after that EVGO, HKD, MLGO. We got the other one, VRCA, PEGY. Yeah, we have all of them here. Let's check VRCA. VRCA could be good to check this one out. No, is dead. This is it. This is it. Again, guys, this is the scanner on Momo NX. If you're wondering, you can actually join Momo NX, have access to the scanner that where I find my hot pick for every day. Plus, you can have access to free 20 stocks with my link in this link in comment section below if you want to join and have this special offer that will end soon. So I will put the link down below. In the meantime, stay blessed, and of course, see you by tomorrow, everybody. Don't overtrade, and of course, let the price come and never run after the price. Remember, there's always opportunity in the market, so don't rush it. Remember that there is always opportunity. So if you don't have a good trade for today, make sure to take the trade for tomorrow. So you don't have to make profit every day. Okay, once per week, once per month is enough. The most important thing is discipline to say no to the wrong trade and say yes to the right one. The trick is the right trade, it take a bit of time to come. This is the trick, to wait for the right moment, like hyena, not like hyena, but the tiger, because hyenas just steal what tiger hunt. So we are tigers, not hyenas, guys. We're not even monkeys because we eat meat. So thank you for watching, everybody, and see you back all tomorrow.